welcome back to the channel. So we have made it here. We're in Orlando. We are at our hotel. So I just got here a little while ago. My hubby and I went and had us something to eat. And so now I'm going to show you our room and where we're going to be staying. So hold on. So when you enter, you come in through the door here. This is a span of the area. There is a door that leads to our bathroom. We'll go there next. But right here is the kitchen. We have a full kitchen. We have a fridge that we've already went and got some stuff put in there. This is the counter space over here. I love this stove. Coffee pot. We got some waters in here. This is the lighting out here. Isn't that pretty, y'all? All right, so this is our dining table here. So this is where we will enjoy our breakfast. And then right off of there is our living space. So this is the couches and everything. But then we have our TV here. Then here we have a closet here. Huh? It's a bed. Well, Zari and Kenzie gonna try and get in that bed. This is a closet with extra blankets, pillow, ironing board, and I'm glad to see that. Broom, dustpan. And then we're gonna go this way. This closet here is our washer and dryer. So of course I'll be washing my clothes before we head back because I'm not taking no dirty clothes back home. And then here we're gonna go through this door because we have two entrances into the bathroom. So this is what our bathroom looks like. We have some lotion here. This thing here, I love it. It's a magnifier with lights. So when you put on your eyelashes and stuff, you can see well. Double sinks, separate shower, toilet of course. And then right here is the bathtub here. Beautiful, beautiful. I love that faucet, look at that. But I won't be getting in that. Here is another area here if you need it. And then of course this is our bedroom. So we have a TV here, a stool here that we put our suitcase on. My husband bought our fan, of course. Have another light here. That is our bed. So it is so pretty in here. Absolutely beautiful. And then off here, let me open it, y'all. This leads out to the balcony. So this is our balcony area. So this is really, really pretty. So I'm loving it. So yeah, so that is what we have. I'm gonna close this back because it is getting darker out there. But yeah, so this is our little room. I love the colors in here. I just love the lamps. I just love everything about this little space. So yeah, so we're gonna be here for 4 days, 4 nights and 3 days? Yeah, 4 nights and 3 days, so yeah. So anyway, I will pull you all back up in a bit. So we're waiting on Bree to get back. She went and her husband to get his hair cut. So we've been out today. So we probably won't do anything, probably work on a few little things while we're here at the hotel. And if we do anything, I will pull you all back up, okay? Stay tuned.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight. Post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me.
So hubby and I are just getting out early this morning and trying to just get some coffee, get us a little walk in.
Yeah. Ain't getting no sleep.
No, I didn't sleep well last night. I got hot for some reason, but the room was comfortable, very comfortable. All right, so today we're going to SeaWorld. That's where most of the, I'm hoping, I don't know, I think most of the wedding party gonna meet us there. But that's where the bride and groom are gonna be, and we're gonna be there. And then when we get back, tonight we have wedding rehearsal tonight. Then we have a rehearsal dinner. So we got a lot of little things planned. I'm gonna be recording throughout this weekend and send it to, all right, so this is the other side, y'all, of the pool area. So I love this because you have the areas sectioned off. So when you come down to the pool, you and your little party can hang out in that section, or you can hang out in that section. That's a kiddie pool there, huh? Oh, for the kids, that'd be perfect. And then they even have, let's see. Oh, and I like this, it's in the shade. Look at that. And you have a lot of cover. So this is perfect. Look, y'all. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, yeah. The grandbabies can come down. Look at this, y'all. Now, isn't this nice? And then the parents have a place that we can sit right here and watch the kids play. So I think this is going to be a really, really nice little area. Look at that. Isn't this sweet? And then right off here, you can see the water. You can hear the water. This is so relaxing. This is my kind of carrying on right here. Look at that tree. Isn't that beautiful? So again, we are in Orlando, Florida. Hubby done walked off and left me, y'all. But I love how all of this looks. This is so pretty. So we can definitely bring the grandbabies down here and let them have them a good old time. Because when we got in yesterday, we didn't explore to kind of see what was out here. So yeah, so we got out this morning so we could get to see, while it's not a lot of people out, what's out here. And so yeah, this is nice. Look at that. Very, very nice. What? And then this is another area here. I think this is where it was where you can order the food. Remember? The other one had this where you could order food. Yeah. Alright, we'll sit here and wait for you. Thank you. Look at this man. I am here with the bride. It's the bride. My hubby and my son-in-law, or my son, is there. They're chauffeuring us around today. Right, Graham?
I guess.
But yeah. So we're getting ready to go get some shoes, and then we're going to the SeaWorld.
It's not SeaWorld.
Yes, we're going to the SeaWorld. And then when we are done there, what time is rehearsal?
5.
Rehearsal is at 5. And then they're going to rehearsal dinner. Then we're going to be on babysitting duty after that. So I'm going to try and record as much as I can today, but it is hot. I get to sweat and I'm going to be doing no recording. So we'll see what we can get into, okay?
Use them to launch themselves in and out of the water to get a better view of their surroundings. Perfect, pal. Get that snacky and then let's show them. Okay, beautiful. Now they can use those pectoral flippers, moving them up and down just like the wings of a bird. They swim through the water at speeds of up to 13 miles per hour. Not only that, he can use those powerful pectoral flippers to support his entire body weight. Okay, beautiful job. That was Seymour perfectly demonstrating the strength and agility of the California sea lion.
We're going to see the show. Come on. Kenzie, they're going to be in here on stage. Come on.
They're gonna be in there. They gonna be in here.
Okay, that's stingray.
That's it.
Probably cut that barb off.
Yeah.
What is that one?
That's a cart.
Tarpon?
Cart. You know what? They eat the grass and
Yeah.
stuff.
I'm not doing the other side.
Yeah, he look like one of the cart, almost like an algae or something.
Mm-hmm. Look at that one. That thing over there.
Wait. That's some kind of shark.
That color.
Shark. There's that one down there, bamboo shark.
Oh, okay.
White spots. Bamboo shark. Oh, another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cart. That's a big looking too.
All right. Let me get me another paper towel. What's going on? Hold on. Oh, I didn't even see that. I was looking at that one. Oh, that's pretty, baby. Baby, you didn't tell me. Oh, look at that. You want to go catch me?
I know, right?
Wow, this is pretty.
Another baby Nancy shark. Like a baby shark.
That's pretty.
Does he go this way? Yes? Okay, I'll follow. Look, show me right here. That's a nurse shark.
All right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So we've gone out today. We just got home. We've been at that SeaWorld all day. And I am so tired. So I'm currently sitting out here and drinking me some water. My daughter told me I needed to drink this water while we're at that park. It's an alkaline purified water with electrolytes. It says pH 9.5. And this is the name of it. Really, really tasty. So I'm gonna be drinking this and I'm eating some crunchy Cheetos. And I'm just gonna sit here and just relax for a little bit before it's time for rehearsal. Okay, so I will pull you all back up in a bit. All right, guys, so I am dressed. I'm gonna try and turn the camera so you can see what I'm wearing. Hold on, I can sit you all. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. We're going to the wedding rehearsal, and then we're going to rehearsal dinner afterwards. So I found this little pretty black and white dress on Shein, and I just thought it would be the cutest little thing. Gorgeous. We are getting ready to go to the rehearsal dinner for the wedding, and then we're going out to, no, we're going to rehearsal first, then we're going to the rehearsal dinner. So hubby and I are dressed, and we're getting ready to head out. So I may record a little bit, I may not. My phone is about dead, but I may. Okay, we're gonna pull you all back up. Bye.